Hi there. Good evening, everyone. My name is Scott Drake. I am the careers teacher here at Forson High School. This is my second year teaching here at Forson as well as teaching careers. I'm a graduate of Forson back from 2011. I've helped coach baseball here for the past 6 or 7 seasons. It's my second season helping coach golf, Coach Hanley, and this will be my second season doing junior high girls basketball after the first of the year. Careers wise, we just kind of got started here with looking into some different options after high school. Right now, the students are working on a college presentation. They had to choose a major that would get them into their career choice and then select a school that they could research that offers that major just for some beginning options. Okay. Beyond the college realm, we look at basically any option that students have after high school, whether that be joining the workforce, joining the military, going to a 2 year, 4 year online university, um, doing some volunteering while during high school and also after high school, going to trade schools and tech schools, basically anything under the sun. I tell all students that there is no wrong option after high school as long as they have a plan. So we're trying to start creating that plan and look at every single option. Beyond that, we go over some kind of how we get that first job or jobs in our future. We go over our resumes and we do some mock interviewing and we do some job shadowing and we do some interviewing. We look at colleges, we look at cover letters, letter of interest. We look at references, college applications and essays. We do a little bit of SAT prep so we can maintain those high scores that we dream and hope for. And just entrepreneurship, everything related to getting ready for your first career or that first step out the door of high school, as well as um, what you need to do once you get there. Um, so it's a very amazing class. I'm so happy I get to help your students kind of learn what they want to do, and it may be tough at a freshman or sophomore level to know exactly what they want to do, but we're just working towards opening up their eyes to all the options that are out there. Um, if you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to email me. Um, all of your students have my email. It is sdrake@fedistrict221.org. I hope you guys have a great rest of your evening. Don't hesitate to email with any questions or call the school. I'll be glad to return your call and emails as soon as I can. Thank you so much.